What's up everybody, it's Nick here, and in this video I'm just going to be making a quick video demonstrating the basics of dual monitors on a Mac. So I made a video a long time ago about dual monitors on Windows over on the PC Hacker 11 channel. So basically now I'm going to show you guys how to do dual monitors on a Mac. What do you need, what you're going to need, what are the basics of it, and so what are the benefits. So I'm going to go ahead and wait a second. Before I say anything right now, I don't have a camera or anything to record you guys showing my second monitor or anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have a second screen capture program launch up the second monitor right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click the full screen record on there. It should start in 3, 2, and 1. And so now the second monitor screen recording should be faded in right now. So as you see here, the first monitor number 1 you see is my laptop screen with the broken screen wallpaper in the background, and the second monitor over there is just the monitor for which is just the monitor with the normal snow leopard background on it. So anyway, so now I'm just going to show you the basics on how to set both these monitors up right now. So anyway, first you're going to need a second monitor right now. I'm using a really old Dell monitor. I don't even know where I got it. I just found it in my closet somewhere. So I'm using an old Dell monitor as my second monitor. Now, here's the thing. If you have an old PC monitor, you're not going to be able to use it as a second monitor on your Mac without buying an extra cable. If I go down here to a window I have minimized over here, as you see here, it's a VGA cable. I just bought this cable right here, which is the cable that will actually let you guys attach your PC monitor's plug into here and then attach this little tiny cable into your Mac. So that's what I did. I went out to Best Buy and bought that. It cost me around $30. I think you can buy them from Apple and you can buy them in Best Buy. What you want is this little VGA cable right here. So once you have that cable, just plug the big end into your monitor and plug the little end into your Mac, and then you should have a one monitor over here and another monitor over here, whatever. And so over here in the top of the menu bar, I actually have a little icon up here that monitors my dual screens over here. You can have this option activated when you go to the system preferences. So in order to set up the dual monitors, you're going to want to go down here to system preferences, and then go down here to displays. And then as you see here in both monitors, on my first monitor it loads up a window called Color LCD, which is what the monitor on my MacBook is. And then over here you'll see a window that says Dell E151FPB, which is my Dell display. So over here in the Color LCD we have 3 tabs. One tab for display, one tab for arrangement, and one tab for color. And here in the display tab is where you can choose your resolution. I have my max monitor set to 1280 by 800, which is the highest rating right here. And here down here you can change the brightness. Over here on the Dell monitor, over here in display, I have my display set as 1024 by 768, and I have the rotation as standard. Now here's the cool part. If you have a monitor that you can actually rotate 90 degrees or anything, go down here to rotation and you can actually choose to rotate your monitor by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. I'm going to keep it standard right now. And then over here in the color tab, you can just go ahead and change the color over here. But since I'm on the Dell, I only have the one Dell color speed. And over here on the color LCD, I only have the color LCD. But here, if you go into the arrangement tab, as you notice, it brings up a window right here. As you notice, here is my the monitor with this little white bar up the top. That is my main monitor. And then over here is my second monitor. So if you have your, by default, it'll be set like this, and it'll set the screen back like that. So when I move my mouse off here, it'll appear over there. But if you want to go ahead and make it so, like, let's say I have my main monitor over to this side. I just click and drag the second monitor over there, and then it has the main monitor over here and secondary monitor over there. And then here where it's the white little menu bar, that'll actually move the menu bar over to the other monitor if you choose to. So you can actually have your menu bar and dock over in your second monitor. So you can actually use your second monitor as your primary monitor. I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to keep it like that. And here where it says show displays in menu bar, that's where you just get this little menu bar thing right here. So anyway, so if I close that out, it'll close everything out. So basically that's how you set up dual monitors. Now let's see how you use them. Let's say don't want to do that. Let's say I open up a Finder window and I have my Finder open here. I can just click it and drag it to the side. As you notice, the Finder window goes over into the second monitor over here. and I can just click and drag it back and then close it out. And let's say I have a Finder window open here, I drag it over there, and then I could be working in Firefox here. So I have Firefox open here and the Finder open here. Just gonna drag the Finder open there and minimize that. So anyway, basically guys, that is the basics of running dual monitors on your Mac. I'm not exactly sure what the advanced options are. I just set this up. So anyway, that is how you do that's the basics of dual monitoring on your Mac. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I'll see you later.